I'm going to show you how to use a template from Workload, and this template will allow you to quickly set up an automated workflow to mark an estimate as sold for a job in ServiceTitan when the eBid is accepted in PEP Cloud. So in order to use this template, the first thing you're going to do is click on this blue button that says Use this workflow, and once you click on that, it will deploy this workflow into your Workload application in edit mode, and you'll click on this step 1 here, trigger for PEP Cloud, and this will trigger the workflow when an eBid is marked as 1. Workload will receive the notification and it'll start this workflow using the data from the eBid. So we'll go to account and select your PEP account from the list in the drop-down, and if you have the blue button that says sign in to PEP Cloud, essentially what happens, you click on that and this pop-up appears and you paste in your PEP API key into this box. The instructions on how to find your PEP API key are listed right here in this paragraph. So I already have one, so I'll go ahead and click on that. I'll hit continue, and I'm going to customize my trigger data, and that opens this box here. So what I'm going to do is head back to the template page, and under additional resources I'm going to copy everything in this gray box starting at this open squiggly brace here. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom to the end of the squiggly brace, and I'm going to hit Control C to copy that. And then I'm going to go back to Workload, and I'm going to paste it into this box. I'm going to hit Submit, and now we have some custom sample trigger data to use to build the rest of our workflow. It opens this next step up automatically. I'm just going to save and close it. Next, I'm going to open step 3, ServiceTitan, find the job by ID. I'm going to go to Account, and I'm going to select my ServiceTitan account. If you have a blue button here that just says sign in to ServiceTitan, it essentially will open this pop-up where you'll input your tenant ID, client ID, and client secret from ServiceTitan, and you'll hit yes, continue, and then it will be available here in the drop-down. So I'll hit continue and leave that alone. I'll hit continue, and then I'm closing this out. Same thing for step number 4. We'll already have the drop-down since we did it in the first step, or maybe you did it a long time ago, so just select it again, make sure it's there, hit continue, and this all here should look good, and I'm going to close this step. You can skip start loop, nothing to do there, and finally open step 6, ServiceTitan, mark the estimate as sold. So again, select your ServiceTitan account, hit continue, make sure these fields are mapped, nothing to really do here, hit continue, and then close this out, and make sure that your workflow is clicked, switched to on, to activated, and then that's it for marking estimates as 1 when an eBid is marked as accepted in PEP Cloud. Thank you. Bye.